Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use TurboTax to file your W-2 income for 2025. Whether this is your first time filing or you just want a smooth, stress-free experience, this step-by-step guide will make the process easy. Stick around until the end because I'll also share tips to make sure you don't miss anything important. First, let's access TurboTax. Open your browser and go to the official TurboTax website. If you already have an account, just sign in. If not, creating a new account only takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Next, navigate to the Federal section. From here, head over to the Wages and Income section. This is where you'll be inputting all your income details, including your W-2. TurboTax makes it easy to find the right place to enter your W-2. Use the search function and type in 1099 NEC. Now, I know that sounds like it's only for independent contractors, but this search actually guides you to the section where you can enter all kinds of income, including your W-2. Once you're there, click Start to begin the step-by-step input process. TurboTax will walk you through each field, like your employer's information, wages, and taxes withheld. Make sure you have your W-2 in front of you to ensure accuracy. If you have self-employment income alongside your W-2, TurboTax has you covered. You can enter all your self-employment income in the self-employment section, and TurboTax will seamlessly combine it with your W-2 income. This helps you get a complete picture of your earnings and taxes. Follow the prompts, double-check your entries, and TurboTax will calculate your taxes automatically. It's designed to guide you at every step, making the filing process smooth and accurate. And that's it. Filing your W-2 using TurboTax in 2025 is that simple. By following these steps, you'll save time, avoid errors, and make sure your taxes are done correctly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for more easy-to-follow tax tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.